night, because of the rain, water has gone up. You can the camera is not capturing the water has come up to these two paddle boats which are kept. It is difficult to capture in this low light, but this part of the path, walking path, is soggy because of rainwater. I'm afraid the far end it would be soggy with all sewage. So the water is filled up to here. This house. This will be the backflow. I mean the flow of the sewage. All this must be sewage. We are still quite away from. In fact, here you can see the flow of water. It's not getting captured. It is coming from Ramanshri California Garden side. Ramanshri California Garden, this part is also inundated. Yeah, here perhaps you can see the flow. Somebody has come in night and removed one of the stones. Water is flowing. Large amount of water is still flowing and going to the lake through this path. This is all Ramanshri California Gardens rainwater, but other side will be having all sewage coming in. Here you can, at this location you can hear the water gushing in. So this boundary area total flooded with water. Again here also this block has been removed to let the water flow. You have flooding all along the boundary. Water has flown down from this drain also. So we are almost at the gazebo. All this is now full of water. You can see here. I think the extent of rainwater was more than the sewage, so all the sewage has got washed off. You can see this color has changed from black to muddy. This is behind the gazebo. I should not go to the edge. This thing can go down. Oh my goodness. All this protection has been washed off. This is totally flooded. A beautiful yet sad morning for the lake. You have the water flowing in even now. This bed is now got water, so we can't do the cleanup of bulrush weed. It's already too mushy for JCB to move it. This is the pipe through which the rainwater runoff used to come from a steam property. It's blocked, but yeah, water is finding its way. I don't know for how much it will hold because there is a good head at the other side. Almost more than a meter head is there. Yeah, water has come up to here. This is the chain link fence. I think on the other side, even the opening operating valve is drowned. I can't see it, which was used to control the water flow to that pipe. Oops. This is the level to which water has reached. Oh, now it is directly flowing over the path from Esteem Northwind. Oh, it's just flowing over the path. So much water is there. That's a beautiful bunch of birds there. Ibis? I'm not good at birds. Okay, as expected, I'll have to dip it in. Ah, my shoes are gone. Oh, look at this flow. So all this froth is because of accumulated sewage which was there on this plot. Now tragically, only saving grace is that now all the sewage is washed into the lake. So this is pure rainwater now. This is beginning of the diversion drain, and the flow is normal. It's not coming through the broken STP manhole. I mean the sewer manhole there. Some water is coming from this Hume pipe also. Yesterday no flow was there, but yeah, all this accumulated rainwater from this area is flowing here. So you can see the level of this bulrush feed. That means mostly the water would have risen to this extent. It has tried to go in from top, so that night water would have risen to this extent. Luckily this is clear. You have some small trap here. This was anyway open, so nothing much has been captured here. Oh, we have a snake here. I don't know from where this fellow came. Good. I had seen other side also one more snake. Anyway, so water has gone in the lake, and with this lots of wash also. Only two positive things are that in morning all the birds are here. You can see so many different sounds, voices, so many of them all over the lake bed and beyond. And the second positive thing is that all that muck, all that sewage is washed off, and now it's all rainwater only which is flowing into the lake. Let me go and see what is the status of our treatment plant. Some kind of mist is forming over the lake, you can see from this side. This is the Putanahalli STP. Sun is trying to get out. Peacocks have also joined in for good morning. The great wash due to rains. This is signs of a great civilization and a great society. The positive is that the birds are having a gala time. I have never ever seen so many of them in action all around. There's somewhere a big flock of, I don't know, it's called flock or what, of peacocks. It's making so much of noise. All these locations, water has gone up. Yeah, that's them. So the struggle of sun is also finally over. I think the birds are really going to have a great morning. Some geese, a pair of geese I see there. All of you who have not yet decided to join for the cleanup, it's a wonderful, wonderful morning. You must join. We meet at 7:30. Here you can't see any lake bed, so much water has flown in. So this is the corner of the lake where the treatment plant is there. We are just heading towards the. I am just heading towards the treatment plant. We are at the inlet to the passive treatment plant. As of now, there is no flow, but whatever muck was here, it's all washed off. It's so clean. And night, it would have definitely overflown. Yeah. This inlet chambers are not having much of sewage. You can see water, I mean the rainwater also has entered. The secondary stage, whatever duckweed and other things were there, all the greens, it looks they are washed off. And normally this kind of blackish water is not there in this stage, but it's there. So that means it's got pushed from the primary section to the secondary section. Little bit of flow is still there. You can see, perhaps it will not be captured in camera, but there is a good spread of duckweed now in the lake. I'm not able to capture in the camera. This side also no part of lake bed is visible. So lake is up by at least, I think, 1 to 2 feet. The water level in the lake, not the lake. Here you can see little bit of lake bed. The paddle boats are kept somewhere beyond this bulrush. I don't think it is getting captured. So this is the place where little bit of lake bed is visible. So there is a good increase in the level of water in the lake. Here are the paddle boats. In fact, water has come to this neck, exit neck. So you can see. So what we saw there, accumulation while entering, it is actually the same level. That is the level to which water has risen in the lake. Oh, this is some new stream. I hope no pipe is broken. Somebody has broken the sewer manhole here. And now this is a new flow which is adding into the whatever goes to Yelanka Lake ultimately. So with this I conclude my today's tour of the lake. I'm at this weir and I have noticed something, that water has flown in from this side, the main drain coming down from the Dodballapur road, and you can see the water has flown like this. It has flown over the weir into the lake. Looks like this. From the position of this debris, you can make out that the water has flown in the reverse direction. That is from the other side to the lake. It's morning 7:44 now and water is still flowing. So much of water has accumulated in here in RCG as well as the other property, adjoining properties. So you see water has gushed in from a gap here, and from this side, from if you look carefully, you look at the debris which has climbed up the trees. That shows the level up to which water has gone up. So that is, you don't have to kind of come and take a dip reading there. That mango tree, you know, you see the all the plastic and all which is there. Here what you see, even the water hyacinth has come up to here. Now this is danger sign. We'll have to make sure it doesn't enter the lake. There is a washout also. Some old tree branches have washed out. So, and from this level also you can see this soil. Along with the soil, the change in color indicates the level up to which water has gone up. Hyacinth has come here inside the gazebo area. We have to clear it. It has come here also. It should not end up in lake, otherwise we are troubled. I think, sir, it will find its way into the lake because you see it's floating down there. At least some of the, you know, the sapling, I mean the younger ones, younger shoots, they will get in. So now we have to ready with another threat of hyacinth taking over the lake. This is entrance of the Northwood property. This side the drain is totally secured like properly. This side they have left it incomplete. So flooding has taken place all along. There is so much of discontinuity, and see the beauty of it next to a transformer. No regards for safety, electrical or otherwise.
कोई भी अंदर बाहर मत करो, टू व्हीलर फिर भी चलेगा।
Is there a meeting at the temple?
This is the condition of Northwood, and this is the shallow end. On the left, it's deeper, much deeper.